In the loving memory of former US President Jimmy Carter to be honored at Washington funeral and laid to rest in Georgia on January 9, 2025 declared federal holiday for Carter funeral. Federal government agencies and departments will close on Thursday on January 9, 2025. Biden declared on January 9 a national day of mourning in the wake of late former US President Jimmy Carter's death. State funeral to be held for former president on National Day of Mourning before he is buried next to wife and plans. From there, the remains of the late president will be brought to Washington, where he will lie in state at the US Capitol. Next Thursday, Jimmy Carter will be honored at a state funeral in Washington National Cathedral. Many world leaders and other former presidents expected in attendance. Joe Biden will deliver a eulogy. The date January 9 has also been declared a National Day of Mourning in the United States. After the state funeral, Jimmy Carter's casket will return to Georgia, where a service will be held at Maranatha Baptist Church in Plains, followed by a private funeral service and an interment later in the afternoon. The Jimmy Carter's family said on Monday it had accepted the invitation from Congress for Jimmy Carter to lie in the estate at the US Capitol. Carter, the longest-lived US president, flags were flying at half-staff on federal buildings and grounds across the US in the tribute to Jimmy Carter on Monday, and they will continue to do so for the next 30 days. Our thoughts and prayer go out to the entire Jimmy Carter family, friends and loved ones during this very difficult and sad time. May his soul rest in peace.